Here we got another eBay package. I got the shipping label mostly off and covered, so I'm gonna box it. This is from eBay. I'm gonna make it quick though. So I need to use the bathroom. Take a shit, big shit. That's the extra protection. I'm gonna pause real quick to resume the video. Sorry, I don't want to use magnetine speakers. They're cool. Looks like it came in perfect shape. So now I got a pair. They sound pretty good. I'm surprised for being ultra cheap. These are usually used on school buses and RVs and stuff. So, yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.